that.
She's sad. She got beaten up by her little sister, so she's sad. And now she's shy. So, the big boy, she using the big boy to hide her face. She knows she can't take it out. Because her sister told her she take it out, little beat her again. Now she want proof like she's so strong now, but she's not. And that's so beautiful. Then other one, yeah, covering so often, sound can be in the video.
Move the camera on my face.
But camera not in your face. It's not in your face. It's in my face. Because it's come more closer to me. Oh. Oh man, look at her. She got the man foot. Oh, look at her.
It's not.
Oh, she's jiggling it. Rabbit, boo boo. Let's see that foot. So you see, that's what happens when you come from Africa. Your foot get high. Look how she moving there. That girl fast on her feet, yo. She like the girl version of Usain Bolt. Or not. Ah, she drop it. And she running away.